Okay. This boy is so good. Aren't you a good boy? Yes. Oh. He laid down for me in his little house that he barely fucking fits in. Okay. I know. Ooh, look at the moon. Now, can we see it? I don't know. I can't tell. All right, goaty goats. Come on. Oh, your hay's all covered in snow. Quelle surprise. Okay. Now. Lily! Oh, watch those horns. He loves him some grains. Very bad for you. But this is how we keep them bribed. Didn't he just give you water? Maybe not. Maybe he just took the ice out of it. Man. This is ridiculous. Oh my God. I don't know what good this does. It's like ingrained. It's just gonna blow it in there anyway. Again. How much hay is there? I don't know. We should add to that. So pull out the shit and put in fresh hay. I don't know. It's not going to snow again tonight or tomorrow or the next day. Tomorrow is still going to be stupid cold, and Monday is going to be ridiculously mild. Hi, babe. Just hi. Good job.
Thanks.
Yeah. I'm gonna go feed the chickens and the guineas. Oh man. Fucking buckets full of ice. Stupid buckets. Okay. Oh, I need to bring the... Oh, it's in the house, I think. I wonder if there's an empty bucket. Big Papa, this is Big Mama. Did you leave an empty bucket in the house? Over.
Affirmative, over.
Roger that. I'm gonna get the goose feed ready, get the goose water ready, and feed the chickens over and out. I can use this tomorrow. Just sometimes I have the dog food bowl, and sometimes I don't. These feed bags come in handy. They make excellent kindling. Oh my God, there's so much boogers in my nose. Oh. Anyway, I'm gonna go by the house to get the egg basket in case anybody decided to lay an egg on this brisk winter's day. Ugh. Ugh, fuck me. I shoveled the shit out of all that this morning around the gate. And the stupid fucking wind just blew it all back. Alright. That's alright, I'll shovel it again. Because otherwise, we won't be able to open that gate in the morning. And I won't just be climbing over the pallet fence. That's the only other option. Or go around to the bottom and go in that hand gate, the electric hand gate. Okay. Oh, wow. That is just fucking ridiculous how hard that is. Okay.